For decades, UltraTite has been a trusted leader in the spray polyurethane roofing industry. We deliver superior products and innovative roof system designs that protect your assets from all conditions including hail and high wind damage. UltraTite's unique warranties offer coverage for these extreme weather events, providing building owners with the confidence and peace of mind that their roof will perform reliably for decades to come. Our SPF systems are seamless, lightweight, and energy efficient, creating a watertight, fully adhered layer over metal, concrete, or existing roofs. From the George W. Bush Presidential Library to the Superdome, SPF has proven its strength and durability for decades. Studies show SPF roofs can pay for themselves in just a few years through energy savings, many lasting over 30 years with proper maintenance. And instead of costly tear-offs, SPF roofs can be renewed for a fraction of the cost, extending service life indefinitely. Seamless, sustainable, smart. For proven roofing performance that lasts, contact an UltraTite Solutions authorized contractor today.